Boom shakalaka, today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the top 10 coins for January 2022. It looks like the market is starting to heat up, and if you want to take advantage of this bull run, these are the coins you likely want to have in your portfolio. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at the top 10 coins for January 2022. If you're looking for the best altcoins to stock your portfolio in 2022, these are the coins you definitely want to have. Now before we get into it, guys, if you could just press that like button, it helps out so much. Let's try and get above 1,000 likes. Also, make sure to subscribe. Come join us over on Twitter. And guys, we are using Tokenmetrics to pick out these coins because this is a system that has picked winner after winner after winner, like 250x Matic, like a whole bunch of other ones as well. And the best thing is they put it all in a little TM grade, so you can know how good a coin is doing based on a simple grade that uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to pick out the best coins. Plus, with Tokenmetrics 2.0, they have a bunch of categories. If you haven't checked it out yet, there is a discounted link down in the description, any pinned comment. Now, for the top coins for January, we're actually harnessing the power of machine learning and artificial intelligence to pick out the best grouping of 10 coins that will outperform the market. And how we do this is we go to analytics right up here, and then we go to indices. And when we do that, we get these indices here. We choose monthly, turn the low caps off, and it actually tells you based on the exchanges which ones are performing the best. So we're going to go to KuCoin and pick out those coins. And we have a bunch of really good coins here this month. As a matter of fact, we're starting out with the high market cap coins first. And if you want the hidden gems, you have to stay tuned until the end. So let's get into it. The first one, Terra. This should be no surprise for anybody. Programmable money for the internet, spend, save, and stake like never before. A public blockchain protocol deploying a suite of algorithmic decentralized stablecoins which underpin the thriving ecosystem for DeFi for the masses. Now, if you haven't heard of this one, get your head out of the sand. This is already ranked 9th, okay? It's in the top 10 coins. Right now trading at $91.52. Market cap is $33 billion. And if we take a look at the chart, it just keeps steaming ahead. As DeFi keeps growing, guess what? Terra is one of the top coins in that ecosystem. Which brings us to the next large cap coin that you all have probably heard of. Avalanche, blazingly fast, low cost, and eco-friendly, one of the most popular layer 1 solutions. As a matter of fact, we did a video not too long ago about the best projects on Avalanche you could check out right up there. And if we take a look at Avalanche right now, ranked 11th, so just out of the top 10, trading at $112, market cap $27 billion. And if we take a look at the chart, this one as well just seems to keep on growing and growing. But you can see there's a little bit of a coiling going on right here, most likely a breakout imminent. Which brings us to the next coin, Polygon. This is one that we've been talking about for a long time. This is one that Tokenmetrics picked out back at 1 cent before it went up to $2.80. So Polygon still has a lot of growth. As a matter of fact, I just made a video the other day where I think it still has a lot of potential. You can check out that video right up there. And if we take a look at Polygon, well, right now trading at $2.49, ranked 14th, market cap $17 billion. And if we take a look at the chart on this one here, this one, look at this. We have a nice little cup. We have a teeny little handle. Guess what? It's just bouncing off of the cup and handle right now before likely a takeoff in the near future. Talking about the near future, how about Near? We just made a video about this one not too long ago. You could check out right up there. But Near potentially could be one of the most undervalued projects out there right now, just because people don't really understand much about it. And I don't blame the people because Near doesn't do a very good job of explaining what it does. They don't come near as good a job explaining as they should. You get that? How I use the name in there? Well, anyways, Near right now ranked 24th, $14, $8 billion market cap. So you can see markedly lower than a lot of the other platforms out there, and probably because they do a terrible job marketing themselves. But it is a legit project, so check out the video that I made on it. And if we take a look, this one as well, just kind of creeping up there. You can see a lot of these projects are just kind of creeping up. We can see somewhat of a resistance line up top here and then on the bottom here. So it just looks like it's going to continue that trend. Which brings us to the next one. Now this one, very popular. A lot of people know about it already. The Sandbox, probably the dominant metaverse project right now, Sandbox. So Sandbox is up there as well, ranked 36, trading at $5.83, $5.3 billion market cap. And look at this, a nice little coil. You see it took off from about 76 cents all the way up to about $7, and then now we're coiling again before potentially another takeoff. So as you can see there's a lot just from the first few projects: Terra, Avalanche, Polygon, Near, and Sandbox. Half of the portfolio for this month is big blue chip projects. Most likely because if we see an uptick of the market, these things are going to dominate and they're going to take off. Now, for the rest of the projects, there's going to be some pretty exciting ones out there. Maybe ones you haven't heard of for a while, maybe ones you're hearing of for the first time ever, but these are the ones that you definitely want to check out. So the first one is Aragon. Now this is one that's been around for a long time, years, and this has been a DAO project for years, decentralized governance for years, way before DAOs were even popular. But with this, you can actually build your own DAO on Aragon now. So since DAOs are extremely popular, Aragon could be one of the most popular projects in that space. If we take a look at it, trading now at $13.47, rank 182, so still way down there, $500 million market cap. And if we take a look, well, you might say we have somewhat of a sideways megaphone where it seems to peak and then fall back down and peak and fall back down. So you may want to wait for it to fall back down before buying, as long as it doesn't break out of this trend that has been in for a while. And the next one is presearch, a decentralized search engine. This is something that is vastly needed because Google's good, but Google is completely manipulated by Google, and the results you get are dependent upon the search algorithm of Google. So potentially, if we have a decentralized search engine, we might get better results, and we might be able to do it privately. We might be able to maintain our privacy. Now, presearch right now ranked 383, trading at 38 cents, $151 million market cap. And if we take a look, guys, look at this one. This one is way down, pretty much all-time lows in terms of price. At one point, it was all the way up to about 43 cents. Now it's down to 38 cents. So pretty darn low in terms of the price for presearch, which brings us to the next one, MXC, your free smart city IoT network on Web3. Web3 is definitely a very popular thing. MXC is a project that Tokenmetrics is saying, hey, this one's worth taking a look at, probably because they have supernodes providing network services to devices around the world. See what supernodes can do for you. They also have their token, a whole bunch of stuff, staking, mining hardware, all of that. Now, if we take a look at MXC, ranked 428th, trading at 5 cents, market cap $125 million. And this chart, kind of like some of the big projects before, is just kind of slowly ticking upwards. Just seems to be pushing the price up. Now, the next project, very interesting one, another Web 3.0 type of project, the future of the web. Centivate is a hybrid web built to be a viable replacement for the modern web, faster, safer, and more scalable than any solely centralized or decentralized web. So we're having a lot of new technology. Web 3.0 is popular. We could be replacing search engines. We could also be replacing the internet, the web itself. Now, Centivate right now ranked 674th, trading at almost 2 cents, just under 2 cents, $48 million market cap. And if we take a look at this one, not up to where it was previously. It saw some highs right around, where was that? Almost 4 cents. Now back down less than half of that. And we can see it's fighting some resistance from previous support back there on potentially its way upwards. Which brings us to the last project, the 10th for this month. Another DAO project, Mahadao, Timeless Value, world's first non-depreciating currency. Introducing the Altcoin, a new kind of money that maintains its buying power irrespective of which direction the market moves, so you can preserve wealth, value stable, and fair wealth distribution. And then also Maha is their governance and utility token. Now, if we take a look at this one, Mahadao, right now trading at $9.12, $20 million market cap, and it's ranked 972. And as we can see, it looks like it found its bottom somewhere around here, could be ticking back upwards, which, if you guys paid attention, that is 10 projects for January of 2022. We have Terra, we have Avalanche, we have Polygon, we have Near, we have Sandbox, and those are the big names. And then the smaller names would be things like Aragon and Presearch and MXC and Centivate and Mahadao. So definitely take a look at those projects. Tokenmetrics does a great job at picking out the best projects every single month, outperforming the market month after month after month after month. If you want to see, you can see the index ROI here in gold and outperforming the Bitcoin ROI month after month after month. So guys, that is all for today's episode. If you haven't checked out Tokenmetrics, remember there is a discounted link down in the description and a pinned comment. I will catch you guys later. Happy New Year. Love you all. Peace.